What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how we store our, well, in my direct office, the little library of the Swarovski crystals that we keep, so that when I'm doing a custom order, I can just reach in and see how many I have on stock. Everything is labeled, very old labels, and they're also numbered in case I have an assistant that doesn't know that, crystal light is a light green and it goes in the green section. And then different names of colors can be kind of interesting sometimes. So everything is labeled and numbered. And then we have little containers inside. And once I get low with those, then I go to my overstock area that we keep all labeled. Everything actually goes from clear AB to clear, and then alphabetical order all the way down. We mainly keep non-hot fix and then hot fix on this side, so everything is inventoried, so nothing leaves the vault without it getting checked out. And then if I don't have enough in the vault, I go to my clearance items that I've found over the years, and then get pulled from there. But everything stays extremely organized and all inventoried, organized, and counted. Nothing leaves any of the sections of our studio without being logged in. For inventory purposes. And then we keep everything separate according to possibly where we purchased them, or the different pricing structures, things like that. I love my pink wall. It keeps everything nice and organized. And then we have another section of when we pull our retail orders from the website. Everything is coded in the system, and then we have all the individual little pots, and then of course we have these empty as well on the site you can purchase, and those sizes really do help us organize everything. But then we also love looking at this every single day because it's in one of our work rooms, the Great Wave. Come see it when you come visit us. But then also this is what the actual containers in my office look like, the ones that I'm not pulling from. We try to keep a full library of every color. Well, I'm sorry, not every color. I have about, I think I see 110 different containers, and that's still not every color that Swarovski offers. There's of course AB in nearly most of all the colors. We don't carry all of those. It'd be a special order. But whenever a new color launches, we do try to keep, a full package of 30, 20, 16, 12, 9, 7, 5, and then even if there are SS3, then I think we have some there's only not many SS3s in Sapphire. And even if there's hot fix, we keep them separate. Don't mix your stones like that. But then they have the SS3s. They're super tiny, about the size of a piece of glitter. And that's how I've organized for years and years. I used to only have these little guys, and see, they've been labeled, and most of them are numbered, from years ago, from when it was just my little one drawer that I had. So everything is always labeled, and it just helps with when someone else is helping you, because even though it's just maybe a hobby for some of you guys, when it does turn into a business, you want to put the time in to organize now, so that you're not stuck wasting time looking for things, and you can see through these containers. And they're just a great size for the Swarovski. It holds everything that we need at any given time. And then I can tell each one of these containers holds 10 gross of the stones, or like a zippy, which I can't stand zippies, but they are my life. That's what we have. So that's how we store our stones here at the CrystalNinja Dojo. Hope you enjoyed this video.